Imagine a time when Earth had no oceans, no blue seas, no waves, no sign of life, just a fiery ball of rock. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was young and violent. Volcanoes erupted endlessly, filling the air with steam and gas. Lightning cracked across a toxic sky of carbon dioxide and methane. Yet, in this chaos, something extraordinary was about to happen. As the planet began to cool, water vapor condensed in the atmosphere, and for thousands of years it rained endlessly. Rain poured onto hot rock, hissing, steaming, carving the first basins. These basins filled up and became the first oceans. Scientists call this period the Hadean Eon. The name fits, it was like hell on earth. But even hell can give birth to miracles, because within those steaming oceans, life began its first whispers. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the earliest microbes appeared, simple, single-celled organisms floating in a vast alien sea. They fed on minerals from underwater vents, black smokers. These vents became the cradle of life itself. Over time, the oceans became Earth's chemistry lab. Chemical reactions gave rise to proteins, RNA, and the first cells. The sea wasn't just water, it was life in liquid form. Fast forward a billion years to the Archean Eon. Cyanobacteria evolved, tiny organisms that could use sunlight. Through photosynthesis, they released oxygen into the water. Slowly, the oceans began to change color, and the world with it. This oxygen transformed our planet. It rusted iron in the oceans, creating banded iron formations we see today. Eventually, oxygen filled the atmosphere, the Great Oxygenation Event. Life adapted, evolved, and diversified under this new sky. During the Proterozoic Eon, the oceans deepened and stabilized. The first multicellular organisms appeared. Jellyfish-like creatures floated through the Ediacaran seas. The stage was set for something bigger, the Cambrian Explosion. About 540 million years ago, life in the oceans exploded in diversity. Trilobites, worms, and early fish ruled these ancient waters. Coral reefs began to form, building underwater cities of life. The oceans had become a living, breathing ecosystem. But Earth's oceans never stood still. Continents moved, collided, and drifted apart. Ancient seas disappeared as new ones formed. Superoceans like Panthalassa once covered most of the planet. When Pangaea broke apart, the modern oceans began to take shape. The Atlantic opened, the Pacific shrank, and new coastlines formed. Ocean currents started regulating Earth's climate and weather. The dance of water and land shaped every living thing. Then came the ice ages. Massive glaciers locked away water, lowering sea levels worldwide. Entire continents emerged, connecting species across the globe. When the ice melted, the seas rose again, reshaping coasts forever. Today, Earth's oceans cover over 70% of the planet's surface. They hold 97% of all water on Earth. They control our weather, produce oxygen, and sustain life. But they're also changing again, because of us. Human activity is warming the oceans, melting ice, and altering currents. The chemistry of the seas is shifting, faster than ever before. Coral reefs bleach, fish migrate, and storms grow stronger. The story of our oceans is entering a new chapter, uncertain, yet vital. From fire to water, from chaos to life, the oceans tell Earth's story. Every wave that crashes carries echoes of a 4 billion-year journey. And as we look to the future, one truth remains clear. We must protect the oceans, for they are the heartbeat of our planet.